Good morning, traders, investors. Daniel Soga, Trader Boys. We got a mixed market. S&P is flat. Nasdaq still going up, up 46 points, almost 0.5%. Dow is down 0.2, and the Russell's down 0.2. So this market is struggling. There's really only one reason why the Nasdaq keeps going up, and that is basically your FANG and a couple friends. You got Amazon up here, another 1%. We've got Netflix is up just over 1%. Microsoft up over just over 1%, and then just a couple others here. Facebook and Tesla and Google up 0.2 to 0.6% there. So this here is the reason why the market keeps going up. This is a very, very narrow market, which is a very dangerous market for the continuation of the up move. So the money's just flowing into these Nasdaq stocks, and that's the only reason what keeps propping this market up. If we didn't have the money coming to these Nasdaq stocks, this market would not be going up. So keep an eye on these to have the indication of what will happen to the market going forward. We have the bonds up slightly, oil down 9 cents, and gold on a small retracement here, getting ready for another opportunity if you're looking for a short-term trade on gold to make it into a long-term trade. Let's go look at the charts. Let's come back. We'll start with the S&P 500. S&P 500, not too much to talk about here. It's still in this supply area, and it's just sitting there hitting its head. You can't get through that supply area right there. We've just been up and touched it again the overnight, and we're in minor little supply here. So we're just range bound. We're just going sideways. Not going anywhere. The Russell 2000 is back to this supply level once again, up into there in the overnight, and we're waiting to see what's going to happen next. On the Nasdaq, we just hit a new all-time high. It's just continuing its charge forward. On the VIX is still a go here. It's giving us an opportunity to go buy some more call options on the VIX. So if this market rolls over, VIX goes the opposing direction. This is a measurement of fear. The VIX will go up in direction if the market does go down. Next, we've got oil. Oil is working with the markets here, hitting it again up against the supply level. Not really going too far, not really doing anything. 40.81 is the price point right there. And gold. Gold is back into a demand area currently, looking for the next breakout. Now, this demand area, we've gone all the way to the bottom. This you want to take a confirmation, meaning if it breaks above this candle's high, that's your entry point right there, and stop loss just below this low here. If this one doesn't hold and doesn't give you the entry, you get a retracement down to this guy right here. That's going to be a great opportunity to jump on board and look for a nice big run, long-term run to the upper direction. Couple more indicators. Market depth that I'm going to start incorporating here is looking at the advancing issues to declining issues, so you can start to understand the breadth of the market. This here is on the Nasdaq, and yesterday we had around 2,080 stocks moving in the upward direction. So they were up positive on the day, above zero on the day yesterday, and 1,360 stocks yesterday of the Nasdaq losing money. So it's not a wide spread here. You can see most of the day with the market not really doing much. They were just kind of sitting there. This is on the New York Stock Exchange, 1721 positive and 1191 negative. So very narrow range here of what's happening, what's going on there. So we're going to start incorporating, start looking at this in a little bit deeper to give us a kind of a better understanding of the mechanics of the market going forward. So that's the quick update. Not much to report because not much happened in the markets. Without the momentum movement to the upside, we got a kind of a stagnation with stalling here. It could really go either way. It could break out to the upside, less likely. We need a good solid retrace in this market to get another up move if it can make it happen. So it's a wait and see game. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow morning.